Top 6 answers are on the board. Kuripot at nagtitipid ang bride and groom. Kaya sinabihan nila ang kanilang mga bisita, bring your own blank. Chris,
Bring your own gift.
bring your own gift. Walang kuhanan ng regalo. Bring your own gift. Wala. What happened? What happened?
to me?
Kuripot at nagtitipid ang bride and groom. So, sinabihan nila yung mga bisita, guys, bring your own blank, ha? Ano yan? Bring your own?
Food.
Food. Potluck. Nandiyan ba yan? Food. Top answer. Pass or play?
Play!
Alright, let's play round 1. Balik muna tayo, Chris. Jornel, kuripot at nagtitipid yung bride and groom. So, sabi nila sa mga bisita, bring your own blank. Ayos na nabutan. 3 seconds, Jefferson. Kuripot at nagtitipid ang bride and groom, kaya sinabihan nila yung bisita, bring your own.
Self.
So, kung pupunta ka doon, bilang ano ba? Bilang Jefferson.
Yes.
Bilang Jefferson. Parang yan ang sinasabi mo. Bring your own self. Nandiyan ba yan? Oh, what happened, Bella? Jazz, kuripot at nagtitipid ang bride and groom, sinabihan nila yung mga bisita, bring your own blank.
Drinks?
Yan. Kung ikaw, anong drinks ang dadalhin mo?
Tequila.
Oh, yan nga yung BYOB. Bring your own bottle. Bring your own drinks. Survey says, meron. Yan. Ano kaya? Kuripot yung bride and groom eh. Bring your own blank daw.
Bring your own gown or damit.
Bring your own damit. Survey says, wala. Susunod! Tito Boy! Kuripot at nagtitipid ang bride and groom. Kaya sinabihan nila ang bisita, bring your own.
Pocket money.
Why not? Andre?
Utensils.
Utensils, Mike.
Mr. Burn. Money.
Ang galing, ha? Chris! So, kuripot at nagtitipid yung bride and groom. Sabi nila sa mga bisita, guys, bring your own blank. For the win.
Money.
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 Bring your own money. Vampires like money. Nandyan ba? Ang money. Round 1 goes to Liga ng Kalookalikes. Meron na silang 58 points. Pero siyempre, may mga answer pa sa board engine. 4 pa ito. Kaya ibig sabihin, may chance ang ating studio audience manalo ng 5,000 pesos. Sino may gusto? Ikaw? O, tuloy, naka-white. Hello, hello. State your name, please.
Chrissy from Quezon City.
From Quezon City. Okay. Eto, naka-attend ka na ba ng ganito? Yung bride and groom, medyo nagtitipid. Sabi, bring your own blank.
Pinggan.
Ha? Pinggan.
Pinggan sa handaan.
Bring your own pinggan. Yo! Congratulations.
Thank you now. Thank you, Family Feud. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Alright. Okay, meron pa number 6. Okay, number 5. Number 4.